Safe scouting? Hey, ScouterStan. A while back we did a whole episode on the Sweet 16. Well, that has actually been replaced. The Boy Scouts of America, BSA, has decided that they're going to use a new system that doesn't have 16 points, okay? Because it was a lot, admittedly. I mean, that's safety. But safety is very important. It's so important that the acronym SAFE, the SAFE is the word that they use. Each letter is to remind us leaders what that's all about. The first letter is S, and because of that, it stands for supervision. It's to remind us that the youth are supervised by qualified, trustworthy adult leaders. Now, these leaders exemplify safety. The A stands for assessment. Activities should be assessed for risk, and that's very important. Always keep in mind that risk avoidance should be incorporated into the activity. F is for fitness and skills. Participants' annual health report and medical records should be maintained. Leaders need to make sure that the activity that they're doing is within the physical capabilities of their scouts. It's important to consider the skills that would be required of that activity so that the scout doesn't go beyond what they can do. E is for equipment and environment. Safe and appropriately sized equipment, courses, camps, and even campsites, trails, and even playing fields should all be appropriate. The gear should all be checked by qualified people. And leaders need to keep a close eye on the environment. What is the weather going to be like, and what is the plan B? Now, next time that you are planning activity, make sure that you find the PDF down below. And you know what? I want you to go to the the Sweet 16 that we did before, and check that out too. But these are things we need to consider whenever we're doing an activity, especially one that requires physical or equipment or any of those things. So, and this can be applied to a lot of different things. In fact, they are wanting to put this into when Eagle projects are being done. So we need to get used to this, okay? We need to make sure that we are using safe scouting. Now, one of the things I would encourage all scoutmasters and cub masters, even crew advisors, when they're asked to do their minute during a meeting, try to put something in there about safety. That would definitely help get this whole thing rolling and thinking about how to be safe when doing fun things. We do fun adventures. We do. We do all kinds of things. I know of people that go fishing way out in the mountains, in these beautiful streams, and do butterfly fishing. I know youth that go out to New Mexico and have the time of their life climbing mountains, walking the trails of Philmont. There are so many adventures out there, but we have to do them safely. Otherwise, they're not going to be fun, okay? It's not going to be fun. We have to do them safely so they can be fun and be memories for the future. So that's very important. And I thank you so much for all that you do for your scouts. And I appreciate that. And I want you to keep doing that good work and keep them safe, okay? So use the safety thing. I'm going to put the PDF down below. And of course, check that at the end. Okay? Check the video at the end. And until next time, I will see you on the trail.